So here in this video I'm just going to show you how to create associative array and how to access that. So in this regard I'm just going to create a new file, and to this I'm giving the name as associate array.php, and here we got the file, new blank file. So I'm going to write script here, that is PHP, and here I have to use the closing tag for that. And here I'm going to create an array using the first method, and this associate array even can be created using the two methods. So I'm going to explain you one by one each. So here I'm declaring an array salary. Okay, I have given the name to the array as salary, and I'm using first method, that is array function, and within the parenthesis I have to define the associative array. So here I'm taking first name, and to this time I'm using the name as say Rob, and to that I'm associating a value. For that I have to use this symbol, and I'm giving value as say 2000. Then here in order to define the another element I have to use comma to separate that, and this time I'm using name as say Mark, and to that I'm associating a value say 1000. Then I'm using another name say Zara, and to that I'm associating a value say 2500. Okay, save this way. So this is the way of declaring the array, associative array. Here the Rob is having associated value 2000, Mark is having the associative value 1000, and Zara is having the associative value 2500. So here I'm going to display the value of these. So I'm using echo and writing here as salary of Rob is equal to, and here I'm using the concatenation operator, and here I'm using variable salary, and here I'm indexing it, and I have to give the name, that is Rob. Then here again I'm using concatenation operator, and I'm using BR for that, and the last I have to put the semicolon to terminate the sentence. So this is one of our complete sentence. What I'm declaring here, I'm here declaring echo the salary of Rob is equal to, and it will display the value associated to the Rob index. Here the index I'm using as Rob, and here the index has to be given within the single quotes, so that you have to keep remember, and it will display the value associated to this. So save your changes here and go back in the PHP folder. Here we go, refresh this, and here we find the name of the array that we have given to this as associate array. Here it is, and just click on this file and we got the output here. The salary of Rob is equal to 2000. So similarly I'm just going to copy this line from here, and here I'm going to paste it using Ctrl B, and another one. So here I'm just I have to copy this using Ctrl C, and here I'm going to paste it using Ctrl B, and here I have to say Mark, and in the last I have to say Zara, and here I have to use the index Mark, and here I have to use index Zara. So save your changes here, and here we go, refresh it. it says that the salary of Rob is equal to 2000, salary of Mark is equal to 1000, and salary of Zara is equal to 2500. Okay, so this is the one of way of creating the array and accessing the array. So I'm just here going to use another way of creating array and using array. So what I'm doing, I'm using array salary, and here I'm using first element, say Rob, and to this I just wanted to associate a value, say as 2000, so I'm saying it as medium, then semicolon to terminate this. Another way, I'm using salary here again, and this time I'm using index mark, and to this I'm associating a value, say low, and put the semicolon here, and the last I'm using salary, and this time indexing it as a Zara, and to that I'm associating a value, say high, and at the end put the semicolon. So here I'm just going to access this. So I can write echo so I'm writing here the same way, but I'm copy it from here to here using Control C, and here I'm going to paste it. Save your changes here again, and here we go, refresh it. So he's showing that we are having some text error at line number 13. We see here we might have, okay, so we have to delete this echo. And here we go, refresh, and we got the output here like this way. Salary of Rob is 2000, salary of Rob is medium, salary of Mark is 1000, salary of Mark is low, and salary of Zara is 2500, salary of Zara is high. So this way we just can, what we have done, we have declared this array using the array method, and this is another way of declaring the associate array. So this is how we can create and access the associate array in PHP program. So that's all for now. See you in the next video.